Hello, I'm Carl from NumatAGRI in Australia. I often get asked, does YoungStar rubber matting have a warranty? Yes, it does. However, we are yet to find out how long it really will last. We have had it installed in a 75,000 head feedlot for over 3 years. It was put on the weighbridge and it's had over 1 million head of cattle across it to date. We are keeping an eye on that, and that will govern what type of warranty we can give our customers. A stud operation or a breeder will actually get a lot more use out of a rubber mat. How do I cut the rubber matting? The most effective way of cutting is with a sharp Stanley-type knife with snap-off blades, so you keep that leading edge sharp. Shallow cut and then follow through with a deep cut. Just pulling the rubber away from the blade is the most effective way of cutting a rubber mat. In your lead-on race up to your crush, rubber matting could take up to 5 hours to install, depending on whether it's a straight race or a curve race. Obviously a curve race will require a lot more cutting, a little bit more labour intensive to actually get the matting installed. The question I get asked often about the rubber matting is how easy is it to clean? Clients that have it in use find it easier to clean than concrete. For the simple fact that concrete is porous and it has quite often deep grooves, whereas the rubber matting is a nice uniform square shape and is actually a non-porous vulcanised rubber. Do we need to fix the rubber matting down? Yes, it is highly recommended the rubber matting is fixed down to prevent movement when it's under pressure, which obviously leads to the other question, how do I fix the rubber matting down? We've found it most beneficial to use a 70mm stainless steel concrete screw with a stainless steel shaped washer, which will help lock the screw in and clamp your rubber mat effectively. This is installed simply by a 6mm pilot hole and then an impact driver putting that screw home into bed. We commonly get asked the question, where's your rubber matting made? Well, Numat have a dedicated R&D team that have been very involved in the agriculture industry for decades. They're very passionate about animal health, and we design our own rubber matting and get it manufactured under licence in our own moulds to our own standards and specifications to ensure that it is to the highest possible standards. These locations include Canada, Germany and India. I trust this is helpful and informative and look forward to talking to you.